What's up everyone, it's me, the Gaming Pickle, back with another video, and what's this map? What is it? You just came from the sky. I just realized my teapot's broken. Yeah, doesn't matter. Stop, please. What does it say? Well, I guess everyone wants to stop. And I'm the pig, of course. There we are, player plus bot, so when I get there, the bot will still get some peoples like that. And some people don't know how to do the map. This is what I'm talking about. I need to equip my back wall traps. I need my block. They don't even know how to do the first lock. But they did do that lock. Oh, whoa, little chimp. I did not mean to put that there. Oh, how do people do that? I need to get up there. George, can you help me by any chance? Thanks for helping, George. Not someone. Oh no, they missed. No, that ammo's gone. Get the guy with the gun, get the guy with the gun, get the guy with the gun. There's one soldier, I assume why? I'll give you, oh no. Yeah, you put me right there. What do you think's gonna happen? Oh, you sniffing me? Do I sniff good, little Zizzy? Pulled your eyeball out. No one's allowed to use Zizzy anymore. Oh, good job, soldier. Who made this one? Because I made it. I made it. I made the map all by myself. Alright, this is what I was talking about. Once you get here, I won here. Induction, please. I read the map, I make the rules, and I simply improvise. Get my building things. Even I'm this back. Oh no, that's backwards. Boom. And then five. I gotta save. Play. This time I'm not gonna be the pig. I made it so people will know not to do that. Boom. How smart am I? My intelligence is 0. It me. Eat me. Like after a good night's sleep, it's time to get some cat. So it's 10 miles away. Boom. Now you need the extinguisher. Got it. They're all the extinguisher's purposes. Someone has the hammer, but how? Hammer spawns in the wrench room. And Felix is here. Felix is here. Felix is here. But the red key's not open. I'm gonna get this blue key. Seriously. So everyone, this is my other map, and everything's on fire. Fifi. All right. Play. You could beat this map in like 30 seconds. It's easy. I'm gonna let everyone do the work. Let me through if I did not explode. I'm with you. Boom, boom, with you. Get the plank. Whoever got purple key got the plank. Ooh, some people come through both. If you guys have played Bendy in the Ink Machine, you will know what this is. There's the ink machine. That was the type things when Bendy gets you. Oh no, the end. Gotta go through, you gotta go through. Everybody is a big old noob. Alright, get the blue key, don't forget the hammer. Will they be able to do this map? If no one has the hammer, they're done for. Doesn't like anyone have a hammer? Oh dear. Oh no. Is it just me? Ah! Yes, that's me. Game over. This map's too easy. This is the hardest map I've ever made. Too easy. So hard. Alright, guys. If you like my building ugly skills, my ugly building skills, you could comment what map I should make. But wait, it has to be based off of a Piggy character. It could be a OJ's military base. It could be Billy's construction site, Coley's coal mine, Mimi's mine shaft, whatever. Tell me a character and something that could go with it, like Torch's temple. And also, I will try my best to do what needs to be done. So, after if it's like Robbie's racetrack or there's a lot of good ones, police station. There's still more good ideas. But you guys have to comment or else I'm gonna make whatever one I want. And I need help because I don't know which one I want. So, I'm gonna bust through the fashion and I got the dynamite to punch up. Red key, I got the red key, I got the red key. Someone get the gun and fire. Use the bouquet, I see you. Don't you dare leave. Don't you dare. Good. Because I got Reiki. Now I got the wrench. Now I got the wrench. Now I got the wrench. I'm almost done with the bunker. Need to do this, and then all we have to do is find the white keywords in the yellow skyscraper. Not in the yellow skyscraper. So, now we need orange key, but we also need to get yellow. After I show you how you beat this, I'll show you some footage on this map of me being Piggy with my excellent black hole traps. Daddy, I'll come back to you once I get to an interesting. So, everyone, look, this is I got the last key card. This was orange key card room, green, red, orange, now it's blue. This is gonna be hot too. I'm gonna give Doggy this juicy bone. Turns out I can't give him anything. I'm gonna give Bonnie this juicy carrot. They are gonna wander around. Where is grandmother? Because Mr. Pig's around. So what is grandmother? Grandmother. Grandma? Where is my grandma? One of my biggest mess ups. This castle's uneven. So now that was easy. I'm not becoming the traitor, and after Whitey, and he's gonna probably become the traitor. All we need is the hammer, and then we escape. And I'm gonna run because he's gonna grab that traitor knife. I know it. He's gonna betray me. And if I die when I have the hammer, I'm gonna be angry. Oh, I knew the hammer would be respawned because no one else was helping me. And hopefully the traitor does not get me. I'm the Juke King. So, yeah, and that's it for today's video. Make sure you like the button that has the thumbs up and make it blue. Hit the red subscribe button, make it gray, and hit the bell for notifications so you always know when I upload. Alright, goodbye.